Hey Theme Park Hipster, it is me, Nikki J, the owner of ThemeParkHipster.com, and today we're going to talk about some of the things that you should know about this little thing called the MagicBand. Or if you haven't been to Walt Disney World in a while, this little thing, the MagicBand, acts as your ticket, your debit card / credit card, and even access to your room. It acts as your room key for your resort on Disney property. It uses the radio frequency or RF technology that allows you to tap your band on all those little Mickey heads around the park, gaining you access to whatever particular thing that you are trying to enjoy, whether it be just getting into the parks or just trying to get on a ride, skipping the line. Now, on this week's episode of the Theme Park Hipster Show podcast, episode 65, we're gonna go really deep on this topic. But since we are here just giving you kind of like a little teaser, I'm just gonna give you 4 ways that you can use your MagicBand. Now, before we even get into the 4 ways, the MagicBand is on the 2nd generation. And right now I have generation, this is 2. So you can notice that it is quite circular, and then this is generation 1. So you can see the difference where it's kind of more of a flat rectangular kind of FastPass. As you can see, I am matching my shirt with my personal MagicBand. I'm still on generation 1. I'm kind of like, if it's not broke, I don't need to fix it. But this is my Harry Potter inspired shirt with the MagicBand to match. Now, one of the ways that you can use your MagicBand is as a theme park ticket. This is given to you for free if you are staying at a Disney resort. Once you have your MagicBand, you can go onto the My Disney Experience website. Like I said, link it up, and you can even slightly personalize it by putting whatever name that you want on the back of your MagicBand. If you are not staying on resort, you can still get a MagicBand. You just will have to pay for one, and the ones that you get for free, they're gonna be pretty basic, meaning they're gonna be in these solid colors like this. So you can find them on stores like Amazon, you can get them inside the park, or you can get them at the Disney outlet. The next thing that you can do with your MagicBand is book fast passes. Now, your fast passes are rides that allow you to book your time and then come back at a later time that's more convenient for you, and it guarantees you a spot on that ride that you are trying to do on your vacation. Now, if you are staying on property at one of the Disney resorts, then you can make out all your fast pass selections within 60 days. If you are an annual pass holder or you are buying your ticket without staying on property, then you can book your fast passes 30 days out. And once they are booked, you can link them to your My Disney Experience account that you will create online, which has all your MagicBands. And then you'll be able to use your MagicBand to go up to that Mickey and skip the line. The next thing that you can use your MagicBand for is for access to your resort room. On Disney property, I am pretty sure that most of the rooms require you to have a MagicBand to get access to your rooms. Like, unless there's some kind of reason that you don't have it, you're gonna most likely have to use your MagicBand. But don't worry if you do not get one in time for your vacation. You can go to the hotel concierge or the front desk, and they'll be happy to give you a MagicBand to link to your hotel room, because this has happened to me before, and I'm an annual pass holder. One of the final things that you can do is use your MagicBand as your PhotoPass. I know you probably can remember the days of getting that little card and carrying it around the theme parks with you. You can still see that at some of the other theme parks, but not at Disney. You can use your MagicBand to act as your PhotoPass, meaning find a cast member. They'll take a photo of you, a cast member with a Disney camera. They'll take a photo of you in front of some major Disney attraction or highlight. And once you are done taking that photo, you just use your MagicBand and the cast member will scan it. Then later on, sometimes it's like really fast, immediately, you can go on your My Disney Experience account and see all of the photos in one place. Okay guys, those are the 4 ways that you can use your MagicBand. Do keep in mind that they are waterproof, they are reusable, and they are pretty safe. And I go into great details on why all those 3 are a great factor for this MagicBand on the Theme Park Hipster podcast, episode 65. Remember, you can listen to it on Apple, Stitcher, Spotify, even Pandora. Now, I want to thank you so much for taking the time to get some information today and listen to me talk about this wonderful Magic Band at Disney. And until next time, happy park hopping hipsters.